After an auto accident, there are so many things to think about, like where to take your car for repairs. Will the shop be reliable? How can you avoid delays? It can often feel a bit overwhelming and like you're left to fend for yourself. That's why we created the Guarantee Repair Network, a group of pre-approved repair shops that help make your life easier when accidents happen. These shops deliver quality repairs, work directly with Safeco, and promise guaranteed repairs for as long as you own the vehicle. Plus, as an additional benefit, they'll even manage the entire repair process for you. Your first step is to use your online account or the app to find a shop in the Guarantee Repair Network, then schedule an estimate. If you need a rental while your car is in the shop, we won't leave you hanging. We'll make sure there's one authorized for you before you drop your car off. And you'll get unlimited rental days up to your daily policy limit if your policy is endorsed. Your next step is to approve the repairs so the shop can get started. But their job doesn't stop there. They'll update you every step of the way with estimated completion dates. They'll also work directly with Safeco to manage the appraisal and approval of additional repairs, so you don't lose time on any back and forth. When you choose a shop in the Guarantee Repair Network, you choose a partner and a process that'll make your day and week better. To learn more about the Guarantee Repair Network and how to find a shop, go to safeco.com.